We are purposefully blowing up an LED in Tinkercad to learn how electronics actually work. If you connect a 9-volt battery directly to an ordinary LED and hit Start Simulation, boom. It explodes instantly because too much electrical current destroys the component. To fix this, we need Ohm's law. Delete the positive red wire. Now, drag a resistor into the circuit, connecting it directly from the positive rail to the bent leg, or anode, of the LED. Change the resistor value to 350 ohms. Hit Simulate again, and it glows perfectly. In video 3, we make a light change colors automatically. Hit Follow to catch it.